Okay, we're recording. You like that car set? Look at those nice lights on there. Okay, show me how you can move the track around. Move the track. Make it different. Whoop, I think one fell off. You're making them fall off. Let me see. Let's move it out this way. Make it different. Okay, I just did already.